Ready? We're going to put these things back in. There you go. Twice as fast now. Time to replace the intake gasket. Finally. Right. This one's just a silicone gasket, just peels right out. File that under G. Now, these gaskets have little bumps on the side, right there, and that holds it in place so it doesn't fall out when you're installing it. So I noticed on the intake, so here's our old injectors, O-ring, 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 4 blue O-rings. And if I look in here, that sure looks to me like an O-ring in there. So I think somebody's done injectors in the past, and they doubled up an O-ring. There we go, look at that. Beautiful baby blue donut. Woohoo! It's not supposed to be there.